Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Hakawai pat kaliang, Chief Web jong kaliang persya kaying dorbar thawan ke jela, ubak proses tisauk me, ulabo jing keliru, hapo kaying dorbar thawan, la ke sarkar kala pentrikam ya ke National Education Policy, hapo ke jela Meghalaya.
Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, may I know from Honourable Member, Honourable Minister of Education, that the view and comments that the state have already been given to the National Draft Policy, sir?
Response of the Government of Meghalaya to the Draft National Education Policy 2019. One, the Government of Meghalaya first of all...
Sir, may I request Honourable Minister, if you can lay that his report on table, the House will be better because I could see a long video session. I request Honourable Minister to lay that statement. That's enough.
Thank you. I will lay.
Honourable Deputy Speaker, sir, may we have some highlight, not whole reading of pages, but some highlights, important highlights.
Sir, since the Minister has already been given a reply that he will table, let him table, sir. My second question now. So I would like to get some information from the Minister. Beginning with National Draft Education Policy, is there any time bound within that 1 year that this policy will be come into force, sir?
The last date to send the view and comment on the Draft National Education Policy is 31st of July 2019. So now the Government of India is studying all the view and comment of the different stakeholders in the country. So after that, they will call this Central Advisory Board for Education. We will study that, and then only the draft will become a policy.
So, just one more question from Honourable Minister, because I could see that for the last 1 month, that the Minister is concerned about the policy because there is no mention of the word Christian. Even other political national party have also come forward and said that we have also suggested the government to use the word Christian. So may I know from Honourable Minister whether the draft National Education Policy, whether it will continue or not to give financial assistance to those institutions run by the Christian missionaries, sir?
Sir, establishment of the schools by the minority institution, minorities is as per the Article 30 of the Constitution of India. So that financial aid which have been doing now, we will continue afterwards.
So if that will be the case, sir, because I quote whatever the Minister said that the government is concerned about the word Christian is not mentioned in the draft. What he meant by saying what concern, sir?
You see, we cannot deny the fact that in the state of Meghalaya, about 50% of the schools are run by the minority institution. So we have highlight this, and because there is apprehension on the government that when they talk about
thank you for the question for trying this out.